Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can retouch your face on CapCut PC and how you can add makeup to it as well. So you're just going to go to enhance here and you're going to enable the face right here, and here you can smooth the face out. You can delete the smile lines and erase the dark circles, but she doesn't need that. This is just an example, of course. And if you scroll down even more, there's going to be a makeup section where you can add makeup. You can add a full set of makeup by pressing the buttons here, or you can add just for instance eyelashes and eyeshadow. And here you can adjust the opacity of the eyeshadow as well. And you can add in a lipstick here. And yeah, that is it. If you have more than one person, you can select multiple mode, but there's only one person here. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!